Hi everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 9 in my simple ways to make a Google Classroom set. Today we're going to be talking about how we share these classrooms and specifically how we share them so that the kids can't move everything around, because that is everybody's number one concern. Please, if you're liking these videos, remember to subscribe, share, make a comment. Let me know what else you want to work on and what you want to learn about. So here we go. I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to do this. There are a lot of other ways to do it, but these are the 2 simplest. So we've got our slide and it's done. We're not going to change anything else. We're ready to share it with our class. No matter what platform you're using, you can use both these ways. So we're going to go to File. Now there's always the file up here in your Chrome or your Windows or whatever you're in. Don't go to that one. You want to go to the one right under your title. Okay, and you're going to click on the file to open it up, and you're going to go to download. You're going to go this way is a PDF. So you're going to click on make PDF document, and that is going to download yourself a PDF document. And then you're going to open that up. Okay, now we're going to save this. Name it whatever we want. I'm going to put it on my desktop so it's easy to grab. And now it will be there for us. So go out of here, go off my Netflix there, and we've got it right there. Okay, so if we open that up, it's now a PDF. You can share this PDF in whatever platform you're using, and the kids can't move anything. What they can do is click on something and it will open up. Of course, it's going to open up in my other browser. It's going to open up right there. I'll put that back up high into my default browser, which is not Chrome. It's Safari. So it will open into the person's default browser. All right, and there it is. They press go. And it's right there with them. All right, so we'll get that out of the way. The next way you can do this, okay, is going back to your slide here. So you're in your slide presentation. Again, you go to File, click on that, and you're going to go down here to Publish to the Web. Click on Publish to the Web. It's going to give you a couple options, but you just want the simple link. Okay, so it's published to the web. You've got the link. The link is here. Okay, you're going to Command C to copy that link, and then you're going to paste that link into whatever platform you use to share with your kids. I'll show you what happens when you do it. And so I'm going to Velcro it in here. Yep, empty, open it up, and there again you have your slides. It will now open right there in your Chrome this time, and again, bingo, bango, boigo, you've got your slide shared and nothing can be moved. No matter what they try to do, it won't move. It will just open the things you want it to open. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you come back and watch some more videos. Once again, please subscribe, let your friends know about these videos, and keep watching. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.